sure it's a pickle?
I think it's a pickle.
You think it's a pickle?
What is it?
It's zucchini.
Zucchini.
Zucchini. Yeah. What are we making? Do you know?
Soup.
Soup. Is this your favorite soup?
Yes.
Yes, it is. And your favorite soup has zucchini in it?
Yes.
I gotta stir this. You be careful. Okay, now I'm gonna stop you right there because I want you to know.
I can do by myself. Why am I done? That's a done apple.
What's up?
Oh, well, be careful. Are you gonna be a chef when you grow up too?
Yes.
Yes. So what kind of things are you gonna cook?
Everything.
Everything? Can you tell me how to cook something? What do you put in things? Not over this. Paul, stop. Stop. Fingers back. Hold it back here. Cut it right this in. What kind of things do we put in soup?
Everything.
Everything, right?
What?
What?
Onions that make you cry.
And onions that make you cry.